This is a 1931 Ford Model A Woody station wagon. Very nice beige color. Excellent condition. Side mount spare. And you can see there's a protector across the threshold of the driver's door and passenger's door. Nice upholstery, very practical. And there's a clock, just in case you weren't sure of the time. Very elementary Model A equipment there in the front. There's the wood overhead there. These were Woodies that were really wood. No decals here. This is the real thing. The wire wheels, authentic for the time. Looks like side curtains could be put up to keep it somewhat weather tight. And I believe stenciled in the back there was a name for this car, Termite's Temptation, which is when you have something like this, you gotta have a sense of humor, because you don't want to get infested by termites for sure.